Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to see how to automate right click on context menu using Selenium Java. Okay, first we will go to the practice page we are going to automate today. So, this is the page. I have taken totally three pages. So, we will try to automate all the three pages. Okay, so here in the first page, we can automate the right click. When we right click on the box, we will be getting a alert like this. You need to click on OK. After that, you will be getting this options. Okay, so this is the first automation we are going to do in the page which we taken. Okay, so the second page, here we are having two boxes. When you right click on the first box, you will be getting the right click options. In the second box, you will not be allowed to right click. Okay, we will try the right click in the first box. Okay, this is the second page we are going to automate. In the third page, you will be having a box. Here we need to right click. You will be getting the, after right clicking, you will be getting the text in the bottom. Okay, so this is the hidden text. When you right click, all the hidden text will be shown. Okay, so we can right click and we can see whether this particular info is available in this particular page. Okay, in this both the page we are having frame. Okay, when you inspect and see, I think we have already done some scenario like this. So here we are having frames, so we need to switch to frame in both the page, then only it will work. Okay, you can go and check it. I will give all the three links in the description. Okay, we can go to Eclipse. First we will try this first page, context menu. So here in the Eclipse I already added Java class. Here we are having main method. Inside main method I have added code for launching the Chrome browser. Okay, here this particular code will launch the Chrome browser. Okay, after that I will add driver.get, which will open the URL in the browser. Within double quotes I will give this URL. Okay, after this I need to get the XPath for this box. Okay, so here in the first box, when I right click and inspect, I am getting the attributes like ID equal to hotspot. So I copy this one. I will use this and find that particular web element. Okay, driver dot find element by dot. I will use ID. They given ID, so I will give the value inside the double quotes. Okay. If you want, you can use XPath also, XPath or CSS selector. Here, as they given ID, so I am preferring to use this one. Okay, if they are not given ID or name or some easily identifiable attribute, then we need to be going for XPath or some other thing. Okay, so if it is directly given, we can make use of this particular ID. Okay, so I have given ID. I will store this one in some reference. I will mention like hotspot box. Okay, and when I mouse over, you can add web element. When you click on create local variable, you will be getting the web element in the left side. Okay, after this, we need to right click here. Okay, so we have an option in actions class. Previously, also we have used this one. In actions class, we are having a option to right click. Okay, first we can write actions act equal to new actions, and I will pass driver inside that. When I mouse over, you can import. Okay, after this I will write act dot context click. Okay, so here you are having two clicks, that is context click. Here I have the web element. So where I need to do the right click, I can mention easily. So I will use the second option that is displayed, and it automatically pick the one which I written in the top. Okay. So it is referring this hotspot box. After that, we will be getting this particular alert. Okay. So we need to handle this alert. So first we can, after this you need to click mention like perform. Okay. So after this we can wait for some time, then only we can easily switch to this particular alert. Okay. So we need to accept it. So we already discussed this particular alert, JavaScript alert. So you can refer that video. So from that you can understand like how to accept and dismiss. For now I will write, when you write driver dot switch to, okay, you are going to switch to that alert, and after that you are going to accept or dismiss. Okay, here I am going to accept, that is I am going to click on OK. If I give accept, it will go and click on OK. Okay, this is the thing provided by Selenium. Switch to alert. Okay, if you want to dismiss, you can write dismiss here instead of accept. Okay, so here I am going to use accept, then only it will go and click OK. After clicking OK, you will be getting the right click options. Okay, that's all. Actually, we have first found the hotspot box. After that, we are trying to right click on that hotspot box. After that, we are waiting for 2 seconds, and then it is displaying alert like this. You can click on OK by giving accept. After that, you will be getting this option. Okay. So first we will try to run this website one. I will write. So I can take these actions and put in the top. Then only I can use for the other things also. So here I will write website one. Okay. Then after that I will close the browser. First we will run this and check how it is working. Then we can go to the second website. So here it is opening. So it is right clicking, and after that clicking on OK, it is quitting the browser. I will give some more wait time after the accept and before the accept. Okay. I will increase this wait time to 5 seconds, then only we can observe it. Okay. So I will give 5 seconds. So now the page is loaded. It is going to right click on the box. It is loading. It is right clicking. After that you are getting that alert. Now it is going to click on accept, and then it will be clicking on OK. Okay, so now that right click option is coming. So then that means that this particular code is working for the website one. Okay, so we can go move to the website 2. I will command this thing. I have commented the code for website 1. So we already tried it. We will go for website 2. In the website 2 we are having, I will copy and add this URL here. So I have added this URL. I will provide this URL in the description. You can also practice. Okay. Here we are going to right click in this box. Then we need to find the locator for this particular web element. I right click and click on inspect. So I am getting some option like this. So before that, you go to the top of it. here you are having a mention like iframe. So if you are having iframe, you need to switch to iframe, then only you can find this particular web element. Otherwise it will not find even if you write the right XPath or right locator. Okay, so we already discussed on the iframe. If you not watched that one, you can go and watch. Okay, so what we can do is I will switch to iframe. So in the previous website one, we are not having any iframe, so now we not switch to it. We are having only alert in the previous website. So here I am going to switch to frame. Okay, switch to frame. After that I am going to provide the id or name, or else you can provide the index. Here I am going to provide the id inside that codes. After that, now it is accessible. Okay, this particular web element is accessible. I will find the XPath or id for this one. So here they provided dev style equal to border. Okay, so what I will do, I will directly write dev, and I can write a XPath on this. As we are not having id or name or some other unique attributes, so we can make use of this one. Okay, find element by dot XPath. Here I will write within quotes, I will write dev, and this is the first dev. So we are having any other thing? Yeah, we are having second dev also. So what I will do, I will mention like dev 1. Okay, now I am first box. Okay, in website 2. So this is the name I am going to provide. I think I stored in the first thing. I need to give this in the bottom. So I have provided in the next line. Okay, so here I written the XPath as it is appearing in the first, and we are not having id. I have given dev and 1. So it is referring like you select the first one. Okay, if I am giving 2 dev 2, it will be coming to the next one. Here this box, you will be getting this box if you are giving dev 2. Okay, so as I want the first one, so I am giving dev 1, and I am not having id, so I am not using any of that. Now what we can do is we need to right click again. So I already written the code for this. We are having actions class. I will use act dot context click, and I will mention this first box dot perform. You need to mention perform without fail, otherwise it will not work. Okay, if you miss this particular method, it will not work and it will not show anything in that particular browser. No action will be taken. Okay, so you need to use this is the must. Okay, when you are using actions without perform, it will never go and do any action. Okay, so now I have right clicked, and after that I will be getting some options like this. Okay, we will try this whether the code is working for the second website. Okay, I have given 5-second wait after performing this, and it will be quitting the browser. So I will right click and run. Let us see how it is going. So it is right clicking. Okay, so that means that, you see, when I not give frame, you will be getting error. So I have commented the frame. Now you see you will be getting error. Wait. You see, this is right clicking somewhere else, it is not even getting to it. So without this it will not work properly. When I uncomment this one, you see, it is right clicking here. When I go without iframe switching, it is going and clicking on somewhere else. Okay, it is ignoring this particular thing and directly going and right clicking. Okay, so it is not even going and finding that particular box when I not give iframe, and it is not throwing error also. Okay, so always whenever we are having a frame, you need to switch to it, then only it will work properly. I will copy the same code and I will use for the third website. I will comment the code what we written for the second website. Okay, so here I will copy the, I will refresh, I will copy the URL. This URL also I will provide in the description. So here I will try to find what is iframe. Here also we are having iframe. So it is the same iframe. So I can use the same code. So here first box in website 3 I will mention. Okay, so we are going to use the first box in the website 3. So here when I right click, you need to get this info is hidden. Okay, we can try, and you will try to find the, here they provided id. Okay, id equal to dev01. So what I will do, I will copy this and I will use here instead of xpath, as they provided I can make use of that. Okay, so here I mention id and I pass this one, pass the value. So now I have given the locator, and after finding that particular web element, it is going to right click there, and I have given perform, then only the action will be performed, otherwise it will not work in the actions case. So I right click and run as Java application. Now the third website will get open and switch to that iframe. Here you see this info is hidden, it is shown. So now it is getting closed after 5 seconds. Okay, so we tried all the three websites. The first website we right click here and we are able to click on OK by using the switch to alert. After that you are getting this options. In the second website we are able to right click in the first box and you are getting the option. So that is also working, and we need to switch to iframe, then only it will be right clicking on the right area. Otherwise it will go and right click on the outside area, not in the frame, and it will fail. When you are giving some asset or something, then it will be getting failed. Currently we are automating alone, so we are not getting any error. When you give some assertion on this, you will be seeing the failure. Okay, so currently we are trying to understand how to right click. So that is the only scope we are having now. So we are trying to right click here alone, so we are not getting any error. Okay, so on the third one also we are right clicking on the first box and it will be showing the hidden details. I right click here, so it is showing the hidden details. Before that, when I reload, you will not be having this information. On right clicking, you will be getting the information. So this three website we tried to right click on the context menu, and we are able to successfully automate this one using Selenium Java. Okay, you can also try this practice page, I will give in the description. That's all I have for this video. So we will meet in another new video with new content. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Thank you.